Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to Danny's Detours, where we talk about anything and everything life related. Consciousness is our canvas. And today, guys, we're going to do something a little bit more. Paddy, find out. I'm trying to do some stay. No, Paddy, come away there. So I'm trying to do this nice relaxing video. Right, stay there. Yeah, today we're going to do something a little bit different, guys. We're going to practice a bit of box breathing and meditation. So if you want to follow along or implement this into your life, then I do invite you to do so, because it is very beneficial to just gaining clarity, going inwards, and just blocking out all the noise and just going into yourself and just relaxing yourself, and just letting your body go into full relaxation. So what we're going to do, we're going to the emphasis is to breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds, and then you hold your breath for 4 seconds, and then you release it out of your mouth for 4 seconds. So I can do this along on my thumbs to to the time, and if you want to follow along with me, you can do so. And yeah, but basically a lot of athletes and a lot of people in let's just say in very high up sports careers practice this, and I've been doing a lot of research into it, and it's very good for lowering anxiety, relaxation, and yeah, just many different benefits. It's like it just opens up neural pathways within your body in order for you to become a better, healthier, more relaxed version of yourself. Paddy, mind away from there. Right, so we'll start now. We'll do the first one. We'll go start with the breathing. So also try and do it in a position like this, so like you're stretching out your legs, and you're allowing air to come and inflow into your body. Oh, Paddy, I knew you were going to do that. Oh, right, sorry about that, guys. I've got 2 wild feral bees here. Willow, mind the camera. Oh, it's not going to work. Yeah, so I think we're going to have to abandon. Oh dear. Yeah, so you kind of like get the idea, guys. Paddy, you are, honestly, you're naughty, you are naughty. But yeah, you get the idea, guys. The whole emphasis on it is just to relax yourself. Get yourself in a nice seated area where it's nice and quiet. Obviously my area wasn't very quiet, was it, because of you two? Oh, I don't know, but yeah, they're burning off all their energy. But you kind of like get the emphasis on it, don't you, guys, where basically you're breathing through your nose for 4 seconds, you hold your breath for 4 seconds, and then you let your breath out for 4 seconds, But obviously after you've let your breath out, you hold for you sort of like just hold your breath for 4 seconds or just relax, and then you repeat it again. And when you start to do this, you know, you open up like neural pathways within your brain, you know, you're getting oxygen to areas of your body that wouldn't normally get oxygen, because you are expanding your lungs and you're creating new new neural pathways, you know, within your body. So it does have many good benefits for this. So, you know, I'll give it a try, and obviously try and do it in a bit of a quieter place, away from two maniacs like these two. But you know, it is what it is, guys. But yeah, that was box breathing. Implement it into your daily strategy, or even if you just want to do it, you know, once a week or a couple of times a week, find yourself a nice quiet area. And yeah, that's box breathing for me, Danny Detours. So, but yeah, like I say, thank you so much for the love and support. But for me, Danny Detours, and these two wild feral beasts, Bonnie and Clyde, have a fantastic day. Love you loads. Peace.